I definitely think this Masters is unique because of the placement aspect and also just the way that they teach you so specifically geared up for ecological consultancy. All of the modules I've been taught have really come in useful while I've been working the placement so far, and it's nice to see how it all links together. The last few weeks I've been out on site doing reptile translocations, so that involves finding reptiles in one area and then moving them to another so that they're out of harm's way before any construction or any clearance goes ahead. The Masters have been really good at using the campus being one of the reasons I really like the uni. It's been nice to go on like guided walks, see the plants. We've got the Harris Gardens on campus, which are absolutely brilliant for the botany aspect of our course. Even for the animal survey sections, we've got ponds in there that are great for newts, and it's really nice that we have such a range of habitats on campus, and the course is really good at utilising that and getting the best out of them. I would definitely recommend this Masters course to anyone that's thinking about ecology or ecological consultancy. I definitely think you will enjoy the course and it will be a great first step into just the world of ecology.